Good morning to all. I welcome all of you in this lecture session. This is the lecture number 6 of Turing machine. In the previous lecture, we had learned Turing computable functions. That is, what is a Turing computable functions? How can you show that a function is Turing computable? And also I had solved some problems. The problems which we had solved in the last lecture was a simple problems. In today's lecture, we are going to solve a difficult problems. So in this lecture, we learned how to construct a Turing machine corresponding to a difficult functions. So how can we construct a Turing machine corresponding to a difficult functions? We shall learn in this lecture. Okay, so now let us come to the first problems. The first problem is this: so that the following function is Turing computable. The function which you have to given here is f of m comma n equal to m minus n. If m greater equal n, and it will be equal to 0 otherwise, right? So that is, if the value of m is greater equal n, then the value of the function will be m minus n, and if the value of m is less than n, then the value will be 0. So you have to show that this function is a Turing computable. So according to the previous lecture, a function will be a Turing computable if you can construct a Turing machine which behave like a function. So here you have to construct a Turing machine corresponding to this function which behave like this. So clearly this function is a proper subtraction function. So the proper subtraction is defined like this. So this is the proper subtraction function. Now we have to think how to construct a Turing machine corresponding to this. So that is, you have to construct a Turing machine which behaves like this function. So now you have to think. So before constructing a Turing machine corresponding to this function, first we have to analyze these functions. So there are two cases in this function. The first case when m greater equal n, and the second case when m is less than n. So in the case number 1, when m greater equal n. So in this case, when you will pass the input m equal to 6 and n equal to 4, then output should be 2, right? But in the second case, when m is less than n, then if you pass m equal to 0 and n equal to 6, then output should be 0, right? So that is, the function behaves like this. So before constructing a Turing machine corresponding to this function, first we process the input and develop the rules through which machine move from the initial ID to the final ID. That is, we have to think, we have to develop the rules. How can machine move from initial ID to the final ID, right? Now we study first case, case number 1, when m greater equal n. So here we consider the initial ID. So clearly look, concentrate on the initial ID. So consider Q0 as an initial state. Two input here pass. The first input is 4 and second input is 2. 4 1 represent the first input is 4 and second is 2 ones, it means second input is 2. So that is 4 minus 2, that is answer should be 2, that is number of 1 should be 2, right? So that is, you have to think how these 6 will be converted into 2 ones. How can we convert it into 2 ones? You have to think. According to this, you have to make a Turing machine. Now, the logic which here we are going to solve these questions is like this. So here look this ID. Here is 0, here is 4 1, here is 2 ones. Now you have to make the number of ones to be 2, right? So that is you have to 4 minus 2. You have to make the number of ones. So the logic which you have to use here. So first you have to remove this one. You have to remove this one. Next you have to move left side before 0. Before 0 you have to remove this one. Next you have to again move to the right side. Here you remove this one. Again you move to left side and remove this one. Again move to the right side and check the number of ones are remain or not. So clearly the number of ones at the right side is not present, right? If the number of ones right side not present, then machine goes to the final state, right? So at this situation count the number of 1. Number of 1 is 2, right? So this is the logic which you have to apply here, right? So that is clearly you have to look right side. When machine move to the right of 0, then it remove first one, then move left side and remove the first one, again move the right side, remove the again the next one, again move the left side, and after 0 it remove the first one, right? This process continue till the number of ones after 0 becomes empty, right? At this situation machine goes to the final state. Okay, now we apply this process here. So here at the Q0 input symbol 1 appear, machine move to the right side. This the next ID becomes this. At the Q0 1 again appear, machine again move to the right side. Here again 1, machine move to the right side. Again 1, machine move to the right side, right? As soon as 0 appears, right? As soon as 0 appears at the state Q0, machine move right side and also change its state. Now the state becomes 1. At the state Q1, machine remove the 1. The remove 1, that is at the state Q1, as soon as 1 appears as a input, machine remove it by the tape symbol Y. So here it remove 1 by the tape symbol Y and also move to the left direction and also change the state. So here Q2 state becomes and move to the left side, right? Again move to the left side here. So that is machine moved till 1 appears. So here clearly 1 appear at the state Q2. As soon as 1 appear at the state Q2, machine move to the right side and also remove 1 by Y, right? So here and machine goes to the initial state. So here the state of the machine becomes initial state and 1 is converted into Y. Now at the state Q0, 0 again appear, machine change its state from Q0 to Q1. So here machine move to this state Q0 to Q1. At the Q1 Y appear, therefore machine again move to the right side like this, right? So Q1 as soon as 1 appear at the state Q1, machine again change 1 symbol by Y and also change its state from Q1 to Q2 and move to the left direction, right? So after apply this, machine change this. So the next ID becomes this. Now at the state Q2, machine only move in the left direction. So here machine moved left direction, here machine again moved left direction, here. So as soon as 1 appear as a input symbol at the state Q2, one is removed by Y and machine move to the right direction and the machine change its state from Q2 to Q0. So here Q2 converted into Q0, 1 is converted into Y, right, and also move to the right direction. So at the Q0 machine move to the right direction. So here machine move the right direction. At the state Q0, 0 appears. It means machine move the right direction and also change its state. Right? So Q0, 0. So next ID becomes this. Right? So at the Q1, when Y tape symbol appear, at the state Q1, when Y tape symbol appears, machine only move in the right direction. Right? So if Y tape symbol appears in a machine, machine only move in the right direction. Right? So here machine move the right direction. That is state not change. Here also machine move to the right direction. As soon as the blank symbol appear at the state Q1, blank symbol appear at the state Q1, machine goes to the final state and also move in the left direction. Machine goes to the final state. So here Q3 is taken as a final state, right? So since this is a final state, therefore machine halt at this state. So at this situation, when machine halt, now count the number of ones. So the number of ones is here 2, right? So therefore the output of this Turing machine is 2, right? So clearly the output of this machine should be 2, or here the output is 2. It means the machine work according to this. Now we come to the case 2. When m is less than n, the output should be 0. So you have to think how the output will be 0. Now consider this. So at the state Q0, here 2, 1, here 4, 1, the output should be 0, right? So again machine at the state Q0 move to the right direction, right? So here we apply the some rules directly which are applied here. Clearly look, the first one remove, second one remove, second one remove, right? So after this step, the next ID becomes this. So here star are apply. Star, meaning of star is that the many number of transition rule are applied to reach at this ID from this ID, right? The meaning of star is this. So many number of roles are applied between this ID and this ID. Now, so 2, 1 here removed, 2, 1 here removed. Now you have to add the, as soon as the 1 appear at the state Q1, right? Machine again change 1 to Y. Machine again change 1 to Y and the state is becomes Q2. Now machine move to the left direction and see any one or remain before 0, right? If any one appears before 0, then also machine remove that symbol. So right here, after some number of rules, machine reach at this ID, that is at the state Q2, blank symbol appears. Q2, at the state Q2, blank symbol appear. The blank symbol will be appear at the state Q2 if there is no ones before 0. If there are some ones before 0, then blank symbol not appear at the state Q2, right? So this situation will appear when all the ones before 0 are removed. So as soon as machine at the state Q2, the blank symbol appear, machine move in the right direction and also change its state from Q2 to Q4, right? Now at the state Q4, machine move to the right direction तो at the y ampere machine move the right direction, right? तो either 0 ampere or 1 ampere machine only move in the right direction. So after some number of rules the next ID becomes this ID. So after some number of transition rule the next ID becomes this ID. So at the state Q4 1 ampere, so as soon as 1 ampere at the state Q4 machine move to the right direction and also remove 1. Also remove 1. So 1 is removed by y. So now at the state Q4 blank appears. As soon as blank appear at the state Q4, machine goes to the final state, right? So here Q3 is a final state, therefore machine move from Q4 to Q3 state, right? And also move in the left direction. So clearly machine reach at the final state, therefore machine halt at this state. Now you have to count the number of ones in this ID. So there is no one. It means the output will be 0, right? So the number of ones will be equal to output. So clearly the number of ones is 0, therefore output will be 0. Okay? So clearly these processing define the working of the Turing machine corresponding to these functions. For the case 1 here, for the case 2 here. So now we are ready to construct a Turing machine corresponding to this function. So when you have to construct a Turing machine, then you have to careful about the processing of these, right? So on the basis of the transitions rule used here, we shall construct a Turing machine for this function. Okay. Now let us come to construct a Turing machine corresponding to these functions. Clearly the number of states which have been used are the 5 state, Q0 to Q4 state, right? Q0 is considered as a initial state and Q3 is considered as a final, right? So now first you have to start from the initial ID. So here Q0 is the initial ID. So you have to start from here. So at the state Q0, here 1 appear, y appear. So as soon as 1 appear or y appear, machine move only in the right direction, right? So when 1 appear or y appear, machine only move in the right direction. So in these two configuration, either 1 appear or y appear at the state Q0. So machine only move in the right direction till 0 appear in the tape. So as soon as 0 appear in the tape, we will change the state of the machine. So machine change from state Q0 to Q1 when 0 tape symbol appear in the tape, and 0 is not replaced by any other letter, and machine also move in the right direction. At the state Q1, if tape symbol Y appear, machine only move in the right direction. If tape symbol Y appear, machine only move in the right direction at the state Q1. As soon as the tape symbol 1 appear, 1 is replaced by Y and head of machine move in the left direction, and also machine change its state from Q1 to Q2. So here at the state Q2, when 0 tape symbol appear or Y tape symbol appear, machine move in the left direction. Either 0 appear or Y appear, machine only move in the left direction. But at the state Q2, 1 appear, machine move to the Q0 state, and also 1 is replaced by Y. 1 is replaced by Y and move in the right direction, and also change its state from Q2 to Q0, right? So this is a complete cycle. In this cycle, machine remove the number of ones before 0 and number of ones after 0. So here, by using this rule, after 0 1 is removed, by this one before 0 1 is removed, right? So we will use this cycle to remove the number of ones before 0 and number of ones after 0. Now, as soon as at the state q1 the blank symbol appear, so in the first case this side machine move, in the first case machine this side move, at the state q1 blank symbol appears. So as soon as blank symbol appear, machine move in the left direction and also goes to the final state q3, also goes to the final state q3, right? So there are two actions. One is the machine move in the left direction, and the second action is machine move from q1 to q3 state, right? This is the transitions rule for the case 1. Now we go for the case 2. These are the same. So this cycle is the same. The part which is different from case 1 like this here. So at the state q2, as soon as blank symbol appear, at the state q2 blank symbol appear, machine move in the right direction and goes to q4 state. Goes to q4 state. So blank symbol B appear, machine goes to q4 state. At the q4 state, either Y tape symbol appear or 0 appear, machine move in the right direction. Machine only move in the right direction. And if one tape symbol appear, then 1 is replaced by Y and also move in the right direction. So 1 is removed by Y and also machine move in the right direction. Okay. Now, the machine will move right direction only at the state q4. As soon as at the state q4 blank symbol appear, machine goes to the final state. Machine goes to the final state. As soon as blank symbol appear at the state q4, machine goes to final state, right? And also the head of the machine move in the left direction. So this is the complete Turing machine corresponding to the proper subtraction functions, right? So clearly, to make a Turing machine corresponding to this function is a difficult problem, right? So now let us come to the next example. Now in this problem we have to construct a Turing machine corresponding to this function. The function is the multiplication of two numbers. So m and n are the two natural number. Here you have to construct a Turing machine which compute the multiplication of two numbers. To construct a Turing machine for this function is a very difficult problem. But now you have to construct a Turing machine for this. So for this difficult problem, you have to construct a Turing machine corresponding to it, right? So first we will discuss the logic. How can we make a Turing machine corresponding to this? Next, we will construct a Turing machine for this. So first, you have to concentrate the logic. If the logic is clear, then it will be the easy to construct a Turing machine corresponding to this. But if the logic is not clear, then to make a Turing machine becomes a very difficult. Okay? Now, so here if you pass the input 2 and 3, then output should be 6. So if the input is 2 and 3, then the output should be 2. So now you have to think how these input will be converted into 6. look the logic here. So here we consider the initial ID. 2 number of ones here and 3 number of ones here. So if there are 2 argument in a function, then we separate the both argument by the 0 tape symbol. So first argument is this and second argument is this. Our logic is this. First you have to remove 1 before 0. Next you have to go to the right end. At the right end you have to copy these number of ones. These 3 ones. You have to copy these 3 ones after the blank symbol at the right side. After the blank symbol at the right side, you have to copy this. That is, you have to copy these 3 ones after the blank symbol. Okay. Next, again move to the left side, and again you have to remove the second one before 0. Again move to the right end, and again you have to copy these number of ones. That is, you have to copy these 3 ones at the right end. Right. Next you have to move to the left side. As soon as all the ones are removed before 0, then you have to remove all the ones after 0 here. That is, you have to remove all these ones. Right. Now after this you will see the total number of ones will be 6, because you have to copy 2 times. Copy this string 2 times. So at one time 3 and second time is 3. That is 3 plus 3 is 6. Right. So this is a complete logic. Again you have to repeat the logic. First you have to remove 1 from here. Remove 1 from here. Goes to the right end. Goes to the right end. And copy these 3 ones after this. At this place you have to copy. Next again you have to move left and remove the second one. Again move to the right, and you have to copy all these 3 ones after this here. So 3 here, 3 here. Right. Again move to the left and check after 0 any one exists. So clearly there is no one exist. Therefore machine move the right side and also remove all these ones from here. So when all these ones are removed from here, then the total number of 1 becomes 6. The 3 here, 3 here. That is 3 plus 3 becomes 6. So in this situation, machine will move in the final state. Right. So this is the logic. Now we will process according to this logic. Start from this ID. At the first step you have to remove 1. First one removed. The first one removed by X, and the machine change its state. At the state Q1, machine move in the right direction if 1 appears in the tape. So clearly 1 appears in the tape, therefore machine move in the right direction. So at the state Q1, when 0 appears, machine move in the right direction and also change its state. When after 0, 1 appears, machine remove 1 by Y. So here remove 1 by Y. So at the state Q2, 1 appear, 1 is removed by Y. Again 1 removed, again 1 meet here, again remove 1 by Y. Right here, again 1 appear, therefore again machine remove 1 by Y. Now this situation came. At this situation, when at the state Q2, blank symbol appear, machine reached at this. So at this situation, when at the Q2 blank symbol appear, machine move in the left direction and change its state. Now this combination at the state Q3, Y is removed by 1. Y is removed by 1. Right. And machine move to the right direction. Machine move in the right direction. Now the state is also changed Q4. At the state Q4, machine again move to the right direction and also change its state from Q4 to Q5. So at the Q5 state, as soon as blank symbol appear, machine remove blank symbol by 1, right, and goes to state Q6. At the state Q6 also machine remove blank symbol by and also move in the right direction. Now comes to this ID. At the state Q5, blank symbol appear. Now machine change blank symbol by 1 and also move in the left direction, change its state from Q5 to Q6, right? So change this blank symbol to 1. So now this blank symbol is changed to here 1 and machine move in the left direction and change its state to Q6, right? So at the Q6, when blank symbol appears, machine change its state from Q6 to Q3 and also move in the left direction. So machine will move in the left direction at state Q3 till Y appears. So clearly after this ID, the Y appears, it means machine move in the right direction. So as soon as at the state Q3, Y tape symbol appears, machine move in the right direction. Here Q3Y, machine move in the right direction and also change its state, and Y is also changed into 1. So Y is converted into 1, here 1 converted and state change to Q4, right? Machine move in the right direction. When at the state Q4 blank symbol appears, machine move to the right direction and also change its state Q5. At the Q5 state 1 appear, machine move in the right direction. As soon as at the state Q5 blank appear, machine change blank symbol into 1, right, and move in the left direction, right? So after converting right in blank symbol into 1, machine move in the left direction. Machine move from this left side and state is also changed to Q6. At the state Q6, if 1 appear, machine only move in the left direction. So here 1 appear, machine move left direction, but here at the state Q6 blank appear. So as soon as blank symbol appear at the state Q6, machine move in the left direction and also change its state from Q6 to Q3. So here the state is changed from Q6 to Q3. So now at the state Q3, machine only move in the left direction till Y appears. So here 1 appear, machine move in the left direction. Here Y appear at this situation. When Y appears at the state Q3, Y is converted into 1 and also move in the right direction, and also I'll change the state from Q3 to Q4. So these actions are this. So at the state Q4, machine only move in the right direction. Here also right direction. As soon as blank symbol appear, machine change its state Q5. At the Q5 state, machine only move in the right direction. Here right direction. As soon as blank symbol appear, machine move in the left direction, right? So after converting blank symbol into 1, so here this blank is converted into 1, machine move in the left direction. So at the state Q6, machine move left direction, Q3 1 left direction, right? So Q3 1 left direction. Here at the state Q3 1 appear left direction, but at this position, look here, concentrate. Now at the state Q3 0 appears, that is Y not appear here. So machine return to right side when Y appears at the state Q3, but in this situation Q3 at the state Q3 0 appear. It means you have removed all the Y from here, right? Therefore you have to move left side, not you have to go to the right side. Now at the state Q3 when 0 appear, machine move in the left direction. Q3 1 left direction. As soon as at the state Q3 X tape symbol appears, right? Machine move in the right direction. Machine move in the right direction and also change its state from Q3 to Q0. तो नाउ दिस सिचुएशन कम, तो एट द स्टेट Q0, तो Q0 state is here. Now, so that is one cycle is completed. You have start from Q0, now you again reach to the Q0. So one cycle is completed and the number of 3 ones come here, right? So one is removed, one is removed here, the number of 3 1 are copied here, right? Now you have to repeat the same cycle. When you will repeat the same cycle, this one is also removed and these 3 ones are also copied to the right side this. So here this one removed and these 3 ones again copy at this place, right? So here we use a star. Star means number of transitions are used here to move this ID to this ID, right? So after second cycle the configuration will be this. Now at the state Q0, 0 appear, it means you have removed all the ones before 0, right? Now you have to remove all these ones here. You have to remove all these ones here. Now at the state Q0, 0 appear, machine move to the Q7. At the Q7 1, you have to only remove 1. Here you remove first one, here second one, third one, right? So now clearly all the ones are removed. As soon as at the state Q7 blank appears, machine goes to the final state. So here Q8 is taken as a final state. So when at the state Q7 blank appear, machine goes to the final state. At this configuration the number of ones is 6 1, right? So output should be 6. Clearly the output is here 6. The number of 1 is 6, right? So this is the logic to make a Turing machine corresponding to this function. Now we are going to construct a Turing machine for this function according to this logic. Okay. So this is a Turing machine corresponding to the previous function, right? So clearly look, this is a very complex figure. So, but here you have to understand according to a logic. If you will try to understand this Turing machine according to logic, then to understand this Turing machine becomes easy. So now we start from Q0. So at the state Q0, you have to remove first one by X. So here at the state Q0, when 1 appear, you have remove 1 by X and machine move in the right direction, right? So I also change its state from Q0 to Q1. So at the state Q1, when second one or third one or remaining one appear before 0, right? Machine only move in the right direction. In this situation, machine only move in the right direction, right? So as soon as the 0 appear, machine move to the Q2 state, right? And also move in the right direction. So at the state Q2, 1 appear, 1 is converted into Y, right? So that is now at the state Q2, machine convert all the 1 into Y. So according to this rule, machine convert all 1 into Y, because this is just self. According to this loop, all the 1 are converted into Y. As soon as at the state Q2 blank symbol appear, machine goes to state Q3. As soon as at the state Q2 blank symbol appear, machine goes to state Q3 and also move in the left direction. So at the state Q3, when 0 or 1 tape symbol appear, machine only move in the left direction, right? Either 0 appear or 1 appear. When at the state Q3 Y appear, machine change its state from Q3 to Q4 and also convert Y into 1. At the state Q4, when 1 appears, then machine only move in the right direction. As soon as blank symbol appear, machine goes to Q5 state. At the Q5 state, when 1 appear, machine only move in the right direction. machine only move in the right direction. So according to this rule, machine only move in the right direction, right? As soon as blank symbol appear, goes from Q5 to Q6 state, Q5 to Q6 state, and the blank is converted into one and move in the left direction. So blank is converted into 1 and move in the left direction. So at the state Q6, when 1 appear, machine only move in the left direction. When 1 appear, if blank symbol appear, machine goes from Q6 to Q3 state. Q6 to Q3 state, when at the state Q6 blank symbol appear, right? So at the state Q3, 0 or 1 appear, machine move only in the left direction. So at the state Q3, when X tape symbol appear, machine goes to the final ID. So when X appear, machine goes to the initial state, right? So X appear, machine goes to the initial state and also move in the right direction, right? So this is a complete cycle. So according to this cycle, machine copy number of ones equal to the number of ones in the second argument, right? So this cycle will be repeated equal to the number of ones in the first argument. If the number of ones in the first argument is 2, then this cycle will be repeated 2 times, right? As soon as at the state Q0, when 0 tape symbol appear, then machine change 0 to blank, right? Machine change 0 to blank and move in the right direction. Move in the right direction. At the state Q7, when 1 appear, then 1 is converted into a blank and move in the right direction. Move in the right direction. So according to this rule, according to Q7 rule, when 1 appear and 1 is converted into a blank and machine move in the right direction. When at the state Q7 blank appear, machine move in the final state. Machine move in the final state. When at the state Q7 blank symbol appear and also move in the right direction. Okay. So this path will be follow when at the state Q0 the 0 tape symbol appears, right? So when at the state Q0 0 tape symbol appear, 0 is converted to a blank and move in the right direction. After this, the machine only remove the number of ones by a blank symbol. As soon as blank symbol appear, machine goes to the final state, right? So after terminating, the number of ones will be equal to the number of ones in the first argument into number of ones in the second argument, right? So therefore this machine is a complete machine corresponding to a given function, that is function corresponding to a multiplication of 2 numbers, right? Okay guys, now we are going to end the lecture. Okay, thank you.